Well, tonight, Louisiana's controversial heartbeat bill is headed to the governor's desk, and he has said he will sign it.
We have live team coverage tonight as Louisiana joins several other states with strict abortion laws. NBC Local 33's Harrison Golden starts us off explaining the impact of the soon-to-be law. Harrison, good evening.
Good evening. Louisiana now joins more than half a dozen states in passing these abortion limits just this year alone. Now, in Louisiana's case, this law would mostly impact women past the 6-week gestation mark. And that's when doctors estimate a fetus's heart starts beating.
Our heartbeat is the most important organ that we have.
State Representative Valerie Hodges led the House's voting majority, saying no one should abort a fetus with a detectable heartbeat.
I believe that my choice ends when another life begins.
The bill's finally passed.
And 78 colleagues in Louisiana's House agreed.
I want to get back to basics. Life is precious.
It's about life and in my faith and what I believe when life begins.
With the state Senate already on board, the proposed abortion ban goes now to Governor John Bel Edwards' desk with no amendments. And it doesn't exempt pregnancies by rape or incest, despite efforts by some House Democrats, like Representative Gary Carter.
Who are you to tell women what they can and cannot do with their bodies?
I am not man enough to tell a woman who's had her insides ripped apart and been raped. I'm not man enough to tell that woman, you know what? Live with it.
How dare you? How dare you not allow a family to make a decision for that child who's carrying a child?
Those who supported keeping the bill as is say the unborn shouldn't be punished for another person's crime.
Look, if you want to bring legislation allowing the mother, the victim of rape, to choose to execute the rapist, I'm on board. I think that's a good amendment. That's a good bill.
The proposal does allow abortions when the mother's life is in danger or when a doctor deems the pregnancy medically futile. But otherwise, doctors who abort fetuses with found heartbeats could face up to 2 years in prison under the law and lose their medical license.
I'm proud to stand with this legislature and the state of Louisiana because we are very pro-life. Each one of this room believes in the intrinsic value of human life.
Now, this bill would not take effect immediately after the governor's most certain signature here, though, Jean and Dion. It still hinges on whether a federal appeals court upholds a similar abortion ban in Mississippi.